Ah,
Wala yan mo tungo ang
saidi. Oo.
ito mo round.
Ja, of filmen wo om ikaw.
We're over here at the entrance of the
Fagasa.
beautiful village of Fagasa, where the paradise is in the Bible.
Ah, melaki iya paradise. So pretty. Wow, look at that view. Oh my goodness, look at that.
So we're in the top of the mountain where you enter to Fagasa. So on the east side, all the way down the other side, that's the elementary school. And that side we call Fangakili. The nearest side right here is called Fangalea. And this is where I stay.
This is where you grew up.
Grew up. And this side, I live on this side. But there's the other side called Fangakili. We're not seeing the other side because of the mountain. Part of the mountain right here is blocking the other side.
Okay.
But that's just the half of that side, Fangakili, that shows right now. Ah!
Okay, come take my picture.
So yeah, that's the beautiful Fagasa.
Here, I'm still recording. Just take my picture right there.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna stand here.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah.
One more. Yeah.
Hey,
There you go.
at least it's not raining.